What? Thread cutting? So there is no way to go straight, right? Oh boy. Okay, in our boat, this is like a kid boat. But okay, the foam for what? Okay, so what do you think? Is it gonna work, or he will go right down? So there is a little chance that it's gonna work, but of course they will show us that it's gonna work. But I mean, is it real? Is it? Yeah. Should pull him, yeah. In order. Wow, that was nice. Melting? What was that? Is it the epoxy resin, right? I just missed it. Jeans? Epoxy resin on the jeans? Why? So they. This is too bright picture, right? Yes, amazing craft. Then Butch need the special glasses for this. Okay, that's action looks weird as some. I don't know. That's okay. Of course, let's destroy some stuff. Let's destroy some good chair. For what? This is what? Wow, that's weird action happens here. I have no idea what this dude trying to craft. He's crafting something. Oh, okay. What? So foam. This is why he is this dude. So the pool noodles for because there is the sharp edges, yeah, and to protect. That's kind of smart. But what is this all action for? Is it a kid toy or is I don't know. It reminded me that the bats, in a car shape for the kids. Here's the okay. Another thing. Okay. Okay, yeah. This also jeans with epoxy. Theoretically, it would work, but it's so weird. That's a thing which we're not gonna test, right? What? He removed that guy, and now he on the water. No freaking way! That's actually, to be honest, there is something. It's clever, right? Shall we try it? If you want us to try it, let us know in the comments. Yeah, put some likes. Let's collect some 10,000 likes and we'll do it. Yeah? 2 of them. 1 for you, 1 for me. So if you want to see Butch in such a construction, let us know. Yeah, please. Don't cut your wood! No, why? It was a fake. And you know why? Because we filmed this and it didn't work that well. It was the steering foam, right? Or something like so. Okay, Butch, I guess you need to judge it well. I mean, we here to judge 5 Minecraft videos, or is it the wood mode videos? Doesn't matter. Yeah, we'll see. Is it the wood connection? Wow, this is satisfying. We need to test it. What? Thread cutting? What? You don't like it? You're not sure? What? That was nice. That was nice. Okay. I think with thread cutting, this was amazing. Of course. So bring some wood. Wow, it's a magic. There was a cut. There was an editing. Not that easy. So is what he gonna do? The best of the room. What? So, okay, we'll see. Oh, you wanna put it on the river, and okay. Well, but how he gonna move it, Robin? Okay, I'll give them a chance. What a person I am! I give them a chance. Show me, surprise me. Okay. Okay. This is not a boat. This is some some house, tree house. So he gonna put it on the world, right? Or it's just no? Yeah, he didn't put it on the world. There is no doubts. But how he gonna move it? And like so, or he just push it? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Wow. I mean, that looks nice, I guess. Oh, it's a way how to put it in the word. Yeah, I think with the bolts, it's also they use the same technique, right? Smart. Okay. Fire on the wooden, fire on the wooden ball. This is something interesting. Yeah, wow, he managed it well, right? He just go around. You can flip it over, right, easily. Okay, now okay. Some girls makes something with the barrels, and which is good. Wow, look at this. They use tools better than me. I don't know. I just doesn't matter. So wow, okay. How many? Wow, it's a lot of barrels. There is. So now they're gonna connect it to this wooden part, and that looks promising. I mean, the best thing which we watched before, the previous one was, not sure. Yeah, was this one? Okay, let's see. Egypt. They make fun. Yeah, they're really happy to build this contraption, or wherever. Okay, from some point it looks like they pretending that they hammer nails. Like, okay. Oh, now they're gonna make some house on it. We'll see. Wow, some jump cards here. Aren't they gonna put it on the construction? No, right? Or what? What is this? Wow, that's everything happens so fast that what? It's a chair. It's a chair. I guess from egg holders, which is recycling. Yeah. Okay, the another recycling thing. Yeah, just rip these bottles, and here we go. Wow, this is sure. Wow. Okay, this is not bad. Not bad. Looks better than mine at home, which is yeah. That was a table. And it kind of makes sense. Now they have a lake party. Oh wow, level. Look at this roll.